remarkable athlete has already won the hearts of countless fans. And many of them have to be envious of Michaela Hedl's privileged position. She was at trackside when Bolt broke the 100 meters world record, and she's hoping for a repeat experience on Thursday.
Fantastic. Stay with us for our in-depth testimony.
Kuha mo 100, or pag hindi mo nasagot, wala na rin pati yung 50,000. Ay, yung 50,000. 15,000 na lang matitira. Okay.
Okay, friends? 15,000 na muli ang pera mo. Anong vault ang napili mo? Vault C.
Hindi pa nabablang ko sa mga daw. Laban. Bibili, yung pinangalan yung nag-spray.
Ganun ulit, ha? Hanggang natin mauuti, ha? Tapos, ganun din audience, ha? Pag tama sagot,
Right now, friends, may 15,000 pesos ka na. Pag nasagot mo itong tanong ko, meron kang additional na 100. You have 10 seconds to answer the question. And here we go. Kung ang CHED ay Commission on Higher Education, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng DepEd na dating tinatawag na DEP? One more time. Kung ang CHED ay Commission on Higher Education, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng DepEd na dating tinatawag na DEP?